for the experiment. We got the pan, the Play-Doh, a tissue, toothpicks, water, and some sand. So first you're going to take the Play-Doh, you're going to shape it and make it like a hill. Now you're going to take some of the sand and you're going to put it around. Alright? I don't care about the way you're putting it, just as long as there's sand on the hill, that's what we want. Alright? You're going to see how water is going to cause erosion to the sand. Can you see the water down? This is all because water caused erosion. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add sand again. But this time we're going to make wattles. You're going to take a normal tissue and you're going to shape it like a cylinder. Make it look like a straw water. Then you're going to take it and put it around. Then you're going to use these toothpicks in order to keep it. Now I want you to see how this tissue wattle is going to absorb the water and stop it from eroding the sand. Look. See?